know that most diseases today are due to inflammation. Inflammation damages your cells and arterial wall and can cause all kinds of problems including chronic inflammatory conditions like cardiovascular diseases and arthritis. By reducing inflammations, your body is better able to heal from disease. One of the top ways to decrease inflammation is to follow the healing food diet and consume plenty of anti-inflammatory foods. Today's video will discuss anti-inflammatory juice recipe. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. If you are looking for anti-inflammatory diet recipe or anti-inflammatory juice for arthritis, this delicious drink I'm about to share with you helps you cover on both fronts. This anti-inflammatory juice recipe is a perfect blend to help support your body's natural defense and to reduce inflammations, plus it's absolutely delicious. How to make this anti-inflammatory juice? This juice is full of beneficial nutrients and enzymes that each will feel like you are taking an anti-inflammatory juice salt with each and every sip. Ingredients: 4 celery stalks, half cucumber, 1 cup pineapple, half green apple, 1 cup spinach, 1 lemon, 1 nut ginger. Instruction: add all ingredients to vegetable juicer, gently stir juice and consume immediately. Are you going to try this anti-inflammatory juice? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.